have 7 flower, so you arrange it. Okay, so arrange it in a circle and one in the middle. Okay, so this is something like this. So I'll show you how to do. So with the long needle from this pack, use the long one, double strand. I'm using Metrosene for this sewing because this thread is stronger. Please don't use cotton thread or silk finish thread. Okay, make sure you use the Metrosene. Okay, Metrosene plus. So this one I will make quite long. Longer thread. Okay, longer thread. First, I'll tie a knot. So you need to go through 6 flowers first, okay? When you have the 6, I want you to join it to the other side. So I will go one more round, stitching one more round. Finish stitching this in the round, so I'm gonna add, not too tight, don't put it too tight. Okay, so I need to add the center flower face down. One more stitch. Okay. So once everything is in position, can start stitching this way. Okay, so I grab some of the fabric here. Actually I'm stitching from the fabric that you have covered, you know, so stitching at the side here. to the other side. So you do the other side. So 2 stitches at a time for each flower. Running out of thread, so I'm going to end here, and I'm going to change to a shorter needle. Okay, I've changed to a shorter needle. So I have done these 3. I'm going to join this and again from this side. To the center piece. It's okay that if your thread is not nice from the back, because this one will cover later. So this one will put it under, so it's fine. Okay, make sure you use a matching thread. When you look at the front, we are almost there. So if you're happy with the flower and it's not moving, you feel that this is not too tight, what you do, you can stitch it again. So now I have put all the roses to the center. Now I need to stitch the side. Okay, so same thing. So now we are stitching the side. So here to here, so I'm stitching this flower to the other side. You can ladder stitch this. This one secure, you just go through, stitch through. Okay, if you feel this thread, this needle is short, so what you do, you can use back the long needle if you want, but since I can go through here, I just leave it. So I will continue doing all this. Once you're happy with this, okay, you can't see anything from the back, so you need to stitch this to the lace circle. Okay, so you can use your glue, the Clover white glue, to stick it, or you can use needle and thread. So I prefer to use needle and thread, so I can show you how to do. Double strand. Position this here. So make sure this is in the center. Pin this down. So go through the thread. So I'm stitching this here to the lace. So you continue the rest.